Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum and greetings. We are going to enjoy the FPV car Emax Ishin Interceptor, and Arish is going to drive. I'm gonna watch how he drives and record. One moment. Oh, I'm not locked into it. One moment. Go. Control. He's doing a very good job. Go under the stool. Oh, nice. Go, 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 go. Don't be scared. Just keep going. Control it. Yeah. Turn around. You're very nice. Can watch us. We are looking two FPV guys sitting here. Force. Yes, just like that. Oh, where did you go? Go under the dual torque. Yeah, baby, you can do it. Go under the dual torque. Why I'm getting walleye is because, yeah, the IPVs are not set. Go to Baba's room. Keep going. Keep going, keep going. Yeah, go under the chair. You can do it. You can do it. This FPV is fun, right? It's better than flying. If you can practice on this one, then you can start flying. Flying is also the same thing, but just that it's in the air. Do you know? You should practice the FPV car, and then you can practice flying the quadcopters. Go under the table. Don't climb the wire. Looks like that thing was going to hit, right? I was going to duck. Yeah. Ooh, yeah. Okay, go, go, go. Uh-oh, you hit the camera. Later we should set some jumps for it, right? Yeah. So you can FPV jump. Keep going. Go to bedroom there. Front, front, not yours. Yours is always messy. Yeah. Okay, we still have reception. Still have video, right? Okay, turn around. Go out and go to our bedroom.
Your bedroom is dark.
I know. Keep going, keep going, keep going. Go to our bedroom. See the reception is good or not. Slow down. Keep going. Go right. Yeah, go inside. Should have reception. Keep going, keep going, keep going. Don't worry. Keep going. Keep going. Oh, we still have video. You have video?
Not too much.
Not too much. Okay. So, you need a patch antenna. I still had very clear video, no breaking. Nice. Doing. Recording started. Oh, that's dirty there. Go back. This car is perfect. It can go to different places. Cannot go in there. We'll get stuck. It's higher than that.
I don't have too much video.
Okay, come out then. So your goggles need patch antennas also. I wish we had two of these cars. Then you and me can race, right?
Yeah.
FPV race. How about I order one more?
Yeah.
And we can do FPV racing.
Ow, my foot.
Go, 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 go. Keep going around. No, cannot go in there. Go under the stools again. You missed them. How can you miss the stools? See, if you have a quadcopter, you will go above, right? Not down below here. Oh, if you keep circling, will we get dizzy?
I don't know.
Try it. Oh, nice.
Dodge the camera.
Dodge the camera and nice reversing. Okay, slow down and make circles around here.
I'm starting to get dizzy. I'm starting to get dizzy.
I'm getting dizzy too. Alright, now you enjoy driving around. Arish is getting into FPV. He's starting to like the FPV. If he can practice and drive RC car with FPV nicely, this Ishin Emax Interceptor, I'm sure he can transition to FPV quadcopters, FPV
Why can
flying.
we look up?
Because the camera does not have the head tracker. The camera does not have head tracker. If we had a head tracker, then you can look left, right, up, down. You can easily do that. Go. Go wherever you want. I will follow you. Are you stuck? Go. You have a passage. Keep going. Mommy cannot open the door.
I'll stand there.
Don't. Maybe mommy will step on the car. Mommy cannot see the car.
I can see it.
Don't step on the car. Why your head is turning to the right? The FPV dilemma. Some people turn head down, some people turn head up, some people turn right and left.